Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today,
hey, get your gun and pellets off the fucking counter, bud.
Alright. We're gonna make some slime. So what I have is a round bowl with a top, green, clear glue, and top. And I just need to go get a spoon.
You good, not loaded.
Go. I'm gonna mix it
The whole thing with Amanda, I thought you already went through that with her. That's why they were trading you with that.
I know.
You wanted more
It
responsibility.
makes noise. Okay.
Right. That's what I
Let's
thought.
add this.
Better tell her again tomorrow. I got a new curtain rod. Hung that up. Let's see how long it takes before fucking he bends that one. I'm not buying new curtains. If we're moving at the end of the year into a new house, we're going to need new curtains anyways. I'll throw them the fuck away when we move. Buy new shit for our new house. I'm not fucking going to move in and have a bunch of shit. Run down fucking curtains and everything else.
I'm gonna throw the like.
Please don't make a mess.
I already got it on this thing.
That's fine.
That has my garbage.
Don't use all my laundry soap.
I won't. There's still a lot left. I'm gonna make it super.
You talked to Kayla about it before.
Oh, super green. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's too green. That's too green. If this is green, I'm gonna call it the Grinch. So. Oh my god, this is the Grinch slime. So cool. Look at that. You can see it. That's cool. I don't want to tip it too much, but that's awesome. Okay. Now I gotta pick up. That's enough. It's blue, but it won't change the slime. Blue, hopefully it doesn't change my green. My green slime blue. Like the light green. I want to make sure it's all slime, so I'm going to add a little bit more of this so I can make sure I got all of it. Slime. Okay, so it's all slime. Like that, so ready? Go. That's too much. That's just
That powwow that they have every 4th of July weekend down in Monroe Park. Are you listening to me, hon? And everybody's mentioning about the article. The town won't sign off on the permit for use of the field this year. And what everybody's like, why? You know why? Because the people who run the powwow put on their application, no vendors, no food service, and they don't need electrical. Every year they have 75 fucking RVs plugged into their electric. They have food vendors, and they have other vendors.
We're just going
Those all require their own permits. And it's 49 years.
It's
Next
actually
year will be
getting
50
much
years
better.
with powwow. They've gotten away with it for 48 fucking years, and the town supervisor says, no, I'm not letting them get away with it no more. We need them to follow the rules like everybody else does. You know?
There's a drip over this cloth that's on the table because it's
We're probably going to have to pay for
fabric.
And if anybody's using electricity, they're going to have to pay for it. Pay a fee. for the weekend. If they're going to be serving food, they got to pay a permit. You know, show their Board of Health certificate. Yeah. And then vendors, you know, if you wanted, you can't just open up shop on a sidewalk somewhere. You know?
Let me get over the bowl. You can't see my face, I'm sorry, or can't hear me.
So Michaela's scared.
Just turn up your volume really loud. Just kidding.
And say, hey, look, I really like to keep my spot.
Comment if you can hear me, comment if you don't. But if you don't, you're out of luck. But you can read my lips. Oh, my eye will hurt. Da da da. Ooh, yeah. Ow, stickiness. I'm gonna get the other stuff out of here. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the table so I can get the rest of this out. Put that there for now. Mix that in. That's on the table. Getting this stuff off the side. I need to wash the bowl out. This is my Grinch. Because it's all green. And then my other one's my blue one. I like blue. Okay. There's my slime. Get both of my slimes. Hopefully it makes this sticky good. So I don't know what to do with this. So I guess I threw it away.
I don't know, it was available in every other box. Because it's the middle of the week. Just, I don't know.
Let me get that back on the